President Joe Biden's son is set to appear in court tomorrow, where Delaware Judge Mary Ellen Noreika will decide on whether or not to sign off on Hunter's plea deal. And Hunter Biden may have just jinxed the deal. You're not going to believe what he just did. Republican Congressman Jason Smith just filed a brief with the judge, entering into evidence the IRS whistleblower testimony. Basically a legal move to get the judge to think, you know what, are you really going to let this guy off so easy? And Hunter Biden's attorney called the courthouse clerk today and pretended to be a Republican attorney and told the clerk, oops, you know what? We didn't really mean to file all that whistleblower stuff. Can you guys just strike that from the record? Seriously, Hunter Biden's lawyer made a phony phone call to the court and tried to remove the whistleblower testimony. He called and impersonated the opposing lawyer. Hey, this is a Republican attorney Chris Clark. Oh, never mind that amicus brief. Just forget about it. That was an accident. Good day, young lady.
Okay, guys, I just want to break it down a little bit for those of you who have not been following the case. But today is the 26th of July, and Hunter Biden was going to appear before the court in Delaware to plead guilty for 2 misdemeanor charges that was brought against him for failure to pay for his tax for 2017 and 18. Now, I don't know if you know, but there was a whistleblower testimony last week against Hunter Biden, and a lot of damning evidence was provided to the committee. Now, that information was forwarded to the judge in Delaware because they had already made a sweet deal with Hunter Biden. And so the Republicans were saying, hey, come on, we have damning evidence here that was given by the whistleblowers. Are you seriously going to let this guy walk free? And so yesterday, a lawyer from the Hunter Biden counsel, Hunter Biden lawyer, called the judge in Delaware and misrepresented herself as coming from the Republican side, okay? And what she was requesting was the information that was given from the whistleblowers was going to be, the charge was going to be taken off because it contained a lot of grand jury sensitive information to do with tax and social securities and all that. And then later, but they were lying. This was a lawyer from the Biden side, pretending they were Republicans. And then later, when the judge in Delaware knew about it, they told the Hunter Biden folks that they have to fix this mess. Otherwise, they're going to be sanctioned. And so we will be looking out to see today if they're going to move forward with this sweetheart deal, or if they're going to say, oh, no, there's a lot of mess here. You guys have to come out and clear up this mess before we can proceed. Well, the Biden said, again, they said that there was a misunderstanding. But then Jackson Smith from the Republican side, no, there was not any misunderstanding. So it's going to be very interesting to see what they're going to do with the sweetheart deal. Yeah, I mean, these people, they are being cornered. The Hunter Biden and his father, even on his father's case. Now the Republicans have come out, the Congress folks on the Republican side, they have come out and say that the impeachment is now on the table. Okay, we'll be watching out for that. Again, thank you very much for joining us. That's all we've got for now. So please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. It's very important that we keep up to date with all this that's happening out there. Thank you, and I will see you later.